Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to access Google Drive, the full 2026 guide. So whether you're new or just need a quick refresher, this will cover it all. First, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. You'll see the login page if you're not already signed in. Yeah, so just make sure you use your Google account credentials. Next, enter your email and password, then hit sign in. If you have two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that step as well. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find documents or click on My Drive to browse everything. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. To add files, click the New button on the left-hand side. Here you can upload files, folders, or even create Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Yeah, it's super handy for organizing all your stuff. Don't forget about files shared with you. Click on Shared with Me on the left panel, and you'll see everything others have shared. So you can quickly collaborate without digging through emails. And that's basically it: how to access Google Drive, navigate your files, and work with uploads and shared documents. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tips like this. All right, see you in the next one.